Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to design or create your word search puzzle using just two free software. And the first one is Canva. So as you can see, this is what I recently designed and created. I love it. This is Bible word search in Spanish. So to those who want to use this template, you can purchase this template here on my Shopify website. So this is my Shopify website, Faith Printables. You can find it right here. It's just I'll show you the price. It's just €259. So you can convert that in US dollars if you're in the States. So in euros, because I live in Italy, so the price is $259. So let's move on. Let's start with using the Canva. So this is the template that I picked, but you can just go to the designs. Let's get another page right here. Let's add another one. You can just type word search worksheets and you can find different designs here that are already created or made by other designers, and you don't even have to stress out, building everything from scratch. All you have to do is just, let's say for example, let's pick autumn because we're in autumn season now. All you have to do is just change the title and the color, and then you change the letters, and then you can add the words here. So that's just basically, and then you change the design using here elements. Let's say autumn leaves. Let's say autumn tree. Let's see what we have. Okay, as you can see, you can use this one. You can put that in the background, 3 dots, and put it back or somewhere right here. So you just play along with it. It's easy and it's fun and user friendly, and you can use this software without purchasing or subscribing. There's a free version, so you can do that. And okay, I'm just going to zoom this right here. And if you don't want to, let's say, put all the letters or change the letters into to the word that you prefer to, to add in here, because what you need to do is just change the letters and you don't have time and you're, whatever, just feel like you're lazy, you can use another free tool, which is the Edupics.com. And here you can type the title. Let's say, for example, autumn season. Okay, and then the difficulty, easy, medium, hard, and the size, 14 by 14, it's a bigger size, and just add the words. Say for example, leaves, trees, acorn, what else, grass, fields, whatever. Okay, and then submit. And so once you submit, sorry, my dog is scratching the door. Once you submit that, you already have this. Look, it's so beautiful, it's clean, it's neat. And then you can download this, the entire, the entire design, including the text, or you can just download the puzzle itself. Okay, and then if you want to download the answers, you just have to click the show, and it will show you the answers, and then download the puzzle or the entire design. So it's really up to you, but let me just tell you that this is a free software. Very, very nice. And so that's basically the strategy for you to save your time and your energy and you can generate a passive income by selling your customized word search puzzles. So that's it, everyone. I hope this video helps. Let me know, and God bless you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.